What is mood disorders? A mood disorder is a mental health problem that primarily affects a person's emotional state. It is a disorder in which a person experiences long periods of extreme happiness, extreme sadness, or both. It is normal for someone's mood to change depending on the situation. However, to be diagnosed with a mood disorder, symptoms must be present for several weeks or longer. Mood disorder can cause changes in your behavior and can affect your ability to deal with routine activities such as work or school. Two of the most common mood disorders are depression and bipolar disorder. Depression. Depression is a common mental disorder. Grief or sadness is a typical response to a traumatic life event or crisis, such as the death of a spouse or family member, loss of job, or a major illness. When the depression continues to be present even when stressful events are over or there is no apparent cause, physician would then classify the depression as clinical or major disorder. There are several different types of depression. Symptoms may vary depending on the form of disorder. Postpartum depression. This type of depression occurs during the pregnancy or after delivery. Persistent depression disorder. This is a chronic form of depression that can last for at least 2 years. Symptoms may occasionally lessen severely during the time. Seasonal affective disorder. This is another type of depression that occurs during certain seasons of the year. It typically starts in the late autumn or early winter and lasts until spring or summer. Psychotic depression. This is another type of severe depression combined with psychotic episodes such as hallucination, seeing or hearing things that others do not, or delusions having fixed but false belief. The episodes may be upsetting or disturbing and often have a theme. What causes mood disorders? There may be several underlying factors depending on the type of disorder. Various genetic, biological, environmental, and other factors have been associated with mood disorders. Risk factors include family history, previous diagnosis of a mood disorder, trauma, stress, or major life changes in the case of depression, physical illness, or use of certain medications. Depression has been linked to a major disease such as cancer, diabetes, and the heart disease. Brain structure and function in the case of bipolar disorder. What are the symptoms of common mood disorder? Symptoms of major depression may include feeling sad most of the time or nearly every day, lack of energy or feeling sluggish, feeling worthless or hopeless, loss of appetite or overeating, gaining weight or losing weight, loss of interest in activities that formerly brought enjoyment, sleeping too much or not enough, frequent thoughts about death or suicide, difficulty concentrating or focusing. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button and also share this video with your friends or family.